All right, guys, this is Rob Carter, your district technology coach here with Zoom. So for today, I'd like to just go through with Zoom how to get into an account, how to get set up, and how to start off your first session. So I'm going to try to keep this to about 5 to 6 total minutes. So we're going to start with the sign up process. We're going to sign in with Google. And I'm going to use my generic email for this. You should be using your school account. Easy peasy, right into a basic account. Okay? Now, after you're in here, you should be setting up your meeting sessions. So, schedule a new meeting. Let's give it a topic. Let's call it testing 1, 2, 3. Test session. And let's give it a time. Let's go today. Let's go 4:30. Duration. Now, please keep in mind, if you are on the basic plan, it has a 40-minute limit if you have 3 or more participants. If we can get these upgraded, there is supposed to be the possibility of that. We may be able to get longer, but if you are working with the basic version, you can disconnect after the 40 minutes or 38 minutes and then reconnect and it works just fine, okay? But let's just say for the sake of argument, we're going to go 30 minutes. We're going to call it reoccurring, and let's change to Eastern Time. And we're going to leave it once a week for certain days of the week. You can set it for a password, video for you and the participant. Unless you really need to be able to see them, I would suggest them being off. It would save and help with issues of internet speed and bandwidth. You can always let them join before you get there. Mute them when they get there, especially with younger students. This is important. And record the meeting automatically for the local computer. Let's go ahead and save this meeting. Now you got your joining URL. Now what can you do with this guy right here? So I use this example chart where you could set up Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. You could do subjects, you could do times. I'm not saying to be online for 2 hours. I'm just using this example. Then you just simply paste that link right here. So if a student happens to know, oh, I need math help, Mr. Carter's going to be on from 2 to 3 on Tuesday. Click the link, and that student is off and ready to go. But for the sake of this video, let's go ahead and start a meeting. We're going to open Zoom meetings. Now, depending on what device that you access this on, you may see different things pop up. Now, this software has already been installed on this computer before, so I didn't need to worry about that in my case. Click on this. You can see that it's connecting now. I'm going to join on using my audio. And you can see I'm in, ready to go. We've got mute functions. We can manage our participants, and if I had some, you could mute them if you had to kick them. You can see all these different options in here. Now, right now, I'm set to automatically record. It's recording my session right now. It's important to be able to have that on there, just in case you want to share it with students later on. We can enter full screen and exit full screen. We can bring up our chat function. I recommend having them muted and have them type in if they happen to need you. And you can unmute them as you go. We can invite more people to the session. And in the end, we can hit end meeting. We're going to leave the meeting for all. And now there's going to be a recording that's going to be converted before review. Bring this guy over. It automatically opens on my PC a video. Now, this may open in a different file, but it's recording my session right now. It's important to be able to have that on there, just in case you want to share it with students later on. So those pieces are all there. There is one thing I believe that I did not get into. Let's just cover that really quick before I wrap up this video. So we're in this session, and we want to be able to share the screen. I didn't grab this at first. Now, my computer's got multiple desktops on it right now. We pick the screen that we want to share with the students. So if we want this one, you can see that we've got the green box around the outside. There's a green box, and if I need to, I can stop the sharing immediately. So your share screen is going to be very important. You can even share a whiteboard if you want as well, to where you can type anywhere you'd like. Or in this case, write, excuse me. We can text and more. I'm going to stop my share, and I'm going to end the meeting one more time. So as I mentioned, it's important to set this up and make sure that your meetings are all set to where all of your students have sessions for different things. And when we go in here, we can schedule additional sessions, and we can manage the ones that we have right now. So this one I said was reoccurring. I could delete them all if I wanted to, or hit start in the most recent one. And I'm going to delete all occurrences to wipe that guy out. Now, there's some other features I could be showing you. I want to keep this pretty basic. I'm around the 6-minute mark right now. If you have any questions, please feel free to let me know. Have a great day.